I'm gonna show you how to make two ways to make a ball, and one way and how to smash it flat with nosy putty. You get this in a vending machine with a lot of them, and you get a random color. I got blue. So here it is. So first is how you smash. You're trying to smash it like that, and it's actually really hard to make a ball. So you get that, and you do like. See me, guys? So I'll restart. You stretch it out, let's see like that. And then you like do all kinds of different things to try to smash it. Sorry guys, I haven't found it down. I'll show you the end. Sticks in your bit. There, that's how you make it flat. Now to ball. So way number one, you roll it out like this, do that, and a little bit like that, you have yourself a ball. And here's the real way to make a ball. So you do that, you do that. And you connect both sides, then you go like that and round them out. Whoop. Up it goes. There you have a ball. So, if you want to see me make more of these kind of videos, I might show you one more thing. How you make a splat ball. So, I'm really gonna need to go like this. You stretch out your normal ball, then you that, and make a ball. It's my first time doing splat ball, and you squeeze it like that. It's like ball. It doesn't splat that good. This is not a splatting thing. And of course you can make shapes out of it. So let's make a Lego brick shape. See? Lego brick shape. So you push it like that, and you like you have a Lego ball. Let's go tease. Mommy, there's something in here. What a trick. A trick, Mama. I'm gonna make a part 2, teasing my sister. And just take it out the Lego block. So, peace out.